Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode, Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to cook a whole chicken in the air fryer. This is a request that I received. So I have this is about 3 pounds. This is a whole chicken. So I'm going to season the outside of my bird really good. So I'm going to use some cumin, just going to shake it across. Have some paprika, some black pepper. I'm using coarsely ground black pepper. Some garlic powder and a chili powder. Creole seasoning is one of my favorites. Just seasoning the outside of the bird really good, nice and even coating, and kosher salt. So I'm going to give this a rub down. I'm going to flip the bird and I'm going to season it the same way. I'm going to do it off camera because I don't want to cross-contaminate. So I'm going to rub all the seasoning in and re-season the opposite side. So after rubbing the chicken down, I'm going to place it inside of my air fryer basket. So I'm going to place the chicken inside the air fryer. It's powered on. I'm going to change it to poultry, and I'm going to hit the temperature setting, and I'm going to change it down to 350 degrees. Hit the clock, and we're going to change the time to 45 minutes. And then hit the little play button. So we'll be back. So I let my chicken cook in my air fryer for 45 minutes. This is actually the time that I let it go for. So I'm using the Smart Row thermometer and just going to take the temp. So just go into the thickest part of the breast, and it's done. It's coming back 183. So it didn't take long at all. So I'm just going to let the chicken rest while I prepare the rest of my meal, and we'll be back. So here is the chicken. It took, I cooked it for 45 minutes. The next time I do it, I'm going to do it for a shorter period of time. But I did let the chicken rest, so I'm going to slice it and give it a taste test. The chicken, and I just want to show you guys, it's really juicy. And I started to slice from the breast, extremely juicy. It's literally so juicy and tender, it just pulls apart. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, add this video to your playlist, comment down below, please. It's really delicious. It's tender, very well seasoned. The skin is nice and crisp on the outside. And one thing I would tell you guys too, so the bottom of the chicken, of course, it didn't get brown. So when I remove the thighs off, I will be placing that portion back into the air fryer for just a few minutes to allow the skin to crisp up. So that part's totally up to you if you wanted to remove the thighs and put it back in to crisp it. But there you have it. How to make delicious whole chicken in the air fryer. Thanks for watching. Please remember to live and be well.